Hi there, this is Gabriela, and I'm going to teach you how to use fluxKontext Pro tool to create an image within Freepik. So this new model, it allows you to either edit an existing image or create a new image with the model. So in this case, let's try to make a person hold a coffee bag. We're gonna go to create, and then here make sure to select them on the mode the fluxKontext Pro. Okay, this is very important. And then we're gonna add. So let's add our images. In this case, you can add your photo with the coffee bag or an image you created with AI with something else. So I'm just gonna say, make the model hold the coffee bag in her hand. Let's see what happens. This is the first time I use it to generate an image with two different references. Okay, let's go. Okay, wow. I mean, it did a good job, but let's try to give it direction on how big is the bag. And let's try to remove the extra part of this image. So the coffee bag is smaller. I mean, we do have all the branding there. Possibly we will need to edit a little bit of the tag, but even though it's super impressive how like they really preserve the details on her and the bag, the branding, everything. The only thing that obviously needs to be edited is the tag with all the little details, but it's still pretty amazing. So now we can actually go a little bit further and go to edit image, and then we will mix what we learned from the editor with fluxKontext with creating an image with fluxKontext. So now maybe we can ask for make the model look to the camera. So you can ask for directions, you can ask for explorations of the space, and you can also ask for change of style. So now she's looking to the camera. And if we're not so sure, we can always ask for more. Okay, I think this one's all right. So I'm just gonna go with this one. And then let's try a change on the look. There. Oh. Keep the color. And very. Because now she's wearing red, I would like to see just all oranges. Let's see if it happens. Also, her dress is orange. This is just a game changer, guys. Okay, wow. Very cool. You can select which model you want to use. I have been liking the 0.1, which is the new model released by Clean. So Freepik, it's always just something comes out and they got it. And let's generate. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions of tutorials you would like to see about this tool. AI moves incredibly fast, so it's just a lot to keep up with. Thank you so much for watching. I'll add the video at the end.